experiencing crashes at launch on a Forum 790 Pro with Windows 11. Even after disabling an external GPU 7600M GPDG1, updated Windows and drivers, but issues persist with a minidump error and access violation noted in the dumps. Efforts like closing background apps and rolling back updates haven't resolved the problem.
Enshrouded, a highly anticipated game, has unfortunately become a source of frustration for PC gamers due to persistent crashes and operational issues. Despite the excitement surrounding its release, players find themselves grappling with the game's instability. This has sparked a significant amount of discussion and concern within the gaming community as enthusiasts eagerly search for solutions to those disruptions, hoping to fully immerse themselves in the game's captivating world without interruption. Let's get on to the solution. A player faced recurring crashes with the game, initially unable to get past the first line of the cinematic. By reducing game settings to the lowest, progress was made, reaching halfway through the cinematic on subsequent attempts and eventually the end. However, crashes persisted shortly after gameplay began. After several attempts, which included brief periods of gameplay followed by crashes, a PC restart was performed. This seemed to be a turning point as only one more crash occurred while the player was exploring the game. Miraculously, after the final hiccup, the game stabilized, allowing uninterrupted play without further issues. So if you wanna try, you can try that. Thank you for watching.
It is earned.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.